Hello, hello, hello. I'm Nikki from myfavorites.com, and I just want to go over with you the importance of getting the insurance on your equipment. So this is, of course, my famous ET-8550 Eco-Tank printer. I purchased this printer last year sometimes, and it was working fine, no problems. This morning, October the 17th, I come in, try to print something, and it is saying paper out in cassette 2. However, you can see the paper in cassette 2, no problem. All right, so I was like, tried several things, no paper jams, no paper nothing. So now I'm like, okay, what's going on? So here come, I calls Epson, and they tells me, oh, your warranty expired October the 15th. And I'm like, what? October the 15th? All right, so as I was saying, so the printer expired, my insurance expired October the 15th. Here it is, the 17th. And the only thing, and before I get to that, let me show you what it's doing, because if you're having the same problem, what this printer is doing is that it is not, the paper tray is not catching. I don't know, it's not, the paper is not being fed, it's not going through. And if you have this printer and with any of your equipment, you can hear and know when something isn't right. And this morning I heard and noticed something wasn't right. So as you can tell, it's trying to pick up paper. And it's not picking it up. All right. So, and I'm going to open a paper tray. And I literally got it. It's full of paper. All right. You hear this grinding noise? Let's see if you can hear it, if it do it again. No, it's not. But anyway, what saved me, I'm going to assume, is that because October the 15th fell on a Saturday, which is not a business day, and the office is closed, I was able to, you hear it? It's grunting like a fish. But anyway, I was able to get a replacement for the printer. And once I ship this back, I'm gonna be able to get another one. You know, I was super scared. Like, I paid like total like $755 for the printer with taxes. And in order to continue my business, because this is like one of the main key functions of my business, is this printer. Just like my other printers, if any of my other printers or equipment go out, I'm just having a heart attack straight, like, I don't know. But anyway, insure your equipment. If you cheap like me, you just gonna have to bite that. Like, just insure it. All right, insure your equipment. I am gonna send this back. I'm gonna clear this, cancel. And what make me so mad is that I just literally put where I filled up this, like I filled the gray up. Like, I had to just buy the gray to fill the gray up and replenish the other ones. But anyway, it is what it is. The main point is to get that extra insurance. Don't be cheap, because if I would have waited tomorrow to do this, I would have to come out my pocket with probably $1,000 to get this same printer replaced with today's market. All right, I'm Nikki from myfavorites.com. That's enough of me rallying about this printer. I was about to have a whole heart attack when he told me it expired October the 15th, but because it fell on a Saturday, I was saved. That's the only thing that saved me. The 15th falling on a Saturday. All right, y'all. Until the meantime, see y'all later.